Welcome to this OMI video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to move from HP Operations Manager for Windows, Unix or Linux to OMI. The process involves adding OMI on top of OM and reusing your existing investment in agents and policies before switching off OM. Two primary resources will help you in your evolution. The first one is the Operations Bridge Evolution Guide. It's the document for your evolution. It not only provides overview and background information that guides you in your planning decisions, but also provides all the details that you might need when executing the evolution. Because it contains all details you might need, it's quite long, but a lot of these pages show reference information, screenshots, or comparison tables. Apart from the guide, we also have the evolution page. This is the online resource for your evolution with the latest documents, videos, blog articles and tools. The material is structured according to the phases of the evolution. Now let's look at these phases. For the technical evolution, we recommend moving to OMI in phases. With each phase, you're adding more value to your solution. As a first step, think about what you want to achieve. Review your current monitoring, the required integrations, how many operator groups and roles should be set up, etc. The 7-page planning chapter in the evolution guide leads you through this phase. It lists a few things you should be aware before implementing OMI to take full advantage of OMI's capabilities. For example, you should think about how to use parameterization to simplify policy administration. Consider also whether you want to manually configure all monitoring or automate the configuration as far as possible. These choices might also influence your decision to use management packs. Refer to the HP Live Network Evolution page for a blog post about the additional benefits of management packs compared to smart plugins. Please read it even if you haven't used SPICE in the past. When the planning has finished, then OMI can be added to an existing OM solution. In this step, event and topology sources are integrated into OMI. Such sources include OM servers, Sitescope, Network Node Manager I, and other domain managers via the BSM connector. The evolution page contains a short video that shows how you can integrate an OM server to OMI. OMI provides new event correlation capabilities, including stream-based event correlation. The videos and sample rules on HP Live Network will help you to implement these in this phase. The next phase is to move your users, your operators to OMI. This is where you might create custom workspace pages or monitoring dashboards for different groups. We have tutorial videos that explain these tasks as well. With OMI's embedded performance dashboard, this could already be the point where you switch off Performance Manager. All this can be achieved within a few weeks. Next, Service Health Reporter could be introduced to replace Reporter and to benefit from its cross-domain business service related reports. In parallel, existing operations agents could be managed from OMI step by step. We recommend that you do that at your own pace. There is no need to switch all the configuration to OMI at once. If you decided to use one or more management packs, then watch our video How to Deploy System Infrastructure Monitoring. It's less than 4 minutes and explains how to get started. Deploying other management packs is very similar. For your custom OM policies, follow the evolution guide to import them into OMI. The benefits of moving the configuration to OMI is that you can easily tune and automate the monitoring configuration afterwards using OMI's parameterized policies. Two short videos explain how you can parameterize your existing policies and how you can group them into aspects. Once all agent configuration is managed from OMI, OM can be switched off. If agentless monitoring is part of the solution, then configuring site scope using OMI is part of this evolution step as well. Modeling business services and introducing additional event type indicators for topology-based event correlation and service health is something that could be done during these evolution steps or afterwards if needed. To summarize, the evolution process is not a rip and replace. You begin by implementing OMI alongside OM, and you can gain many values within a few weeks. Keeping your investment in operations agents and OM policies, you can move over the configuration of your agents step by step at your own pace to OMI. At the end, you benefit from all operations bridge features, the efficient, modern operator UI, advanced correlation capabilities, monitoring automation, and much more. The following practical tips will help you evolve to OMI more smoothly. First, get your agents up to version 11.12 or later, as this is a prerequisite for monitoring automation. Also, get familiar with OMI in the planning phase. The easiest way to do that is to use the virtual appliance. Install it in a test environment and then explore the new features while you're going through the evolution guide. You should give your operators some time to explore the new OMI UI. As it offers more flexibility, it's also a good idea to engage them in the design of the new operator UI. If you give them time to explore OMI, then they might not even have to attend a formal training, as the operator workflow is very similar to the workflow in OM. What you should not forget to include in your evolution planning is to educate your OMI administrators. The Discover OMI page inside OMI is a very good starting point for them, but the most efficient way to learn about the administrative tasks in OMI is to attend the HP education training. In all phases of your evolution, feel free to ask questions in the OMI practitioner forum, or check if someone else already asked a similar question. OMI experts and other practitioners provide answers in this forum. And as a last tip, capture key metrics before and after the move to OMI to demonstrate the efficiency gain. For example, the number of correlated events or the time it takes your operations group to start the monitoring of a new system.